When we talk about catastrophes, you have your insurance involved, you have adjusters who work for the insurance company sometimes they're third-party adjusters. You have your mortgage company involved, you have your construction company involved. What we want to make sure to do is that we want to make sure that we're replacing like, kind, and quality for the value of your home. What's easy for people to do is just what's the easy exit, what's the fastest thing to put into your home, what can we get in now and get out. What we want to make sure is that we walk you through the process and your insurance company through the process of making sure you get the value and the quality of work to restore your home and the peace of mind to know that it's going to get done right and that at the end you're going to be made whole again.